My poem is Friend. What are you worried for me? You used to ask me how I was doing. With your sweet and gentle word, I used to be happy with every single question of yours. With the thought is mine that I too have a best friend. Used to cry with a heavy heart. We meet at the most unexpected time by density. He was always there for me and welcomed me with warm hands to comfort me and my heavy heart, saying, "This is life." Used to chat about our past life and share everything. He was my salvation. A piece of mind was given with his from my side. Every moment felt like a dream, but then I felt bad for troubling her. With all my concern, I brought his. What would he think of me? Broke down and friend goldly. Felt suffocated with all of my thoughts, but then again realized he was my best friend. He is my best friend, and he will my best friend. My second point, question: will you give me your heart? Will you give me your love? Will you give me your soul? I want all of you with you. But I will give all of me, even my dead body. It is my promise. Thank you.